Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my fourth video of my HTML student portal web series. In the previous parts, we uh, explained pages like home, profile and courses, and in the video I will explain feedback page line by line in a very simple way and clear way. So let's get started. We go our code. First we start with doctype HTML. This is our boilerplate of HTML and the first is doctype HTML. First, we start with doctype HTML. The line tells the browser that a document is written in HTML file, so the browser knows how to display everything incorrectly. Next comes HTML. This is a root element of the web page. This is a root of element of the web page. Everything inside the page is written between the opening and closing HTML tags. Now we have a head section. The head part contains metadata, meaning information about the web page, not a visible content that ensures. Then is meta character set. Uh, the ensures all special characters include Hindi text or symbols appears correctly on your page. Next metadata meta metaname viewport. This makes your website responsive and fits perfectly on mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. Then we move another description. Uh, it gives a short description about of your web page, useful for SEO when your site appears in search results. The comes then we another tag is title tag. The come in title tag the here submit feedback. Submit feedback. Whatever you write inside title appear on the browser tab at the top. We can see here. You can see here I am titled the feedback page. Then we close the head tag. Okay. Then we move another tag is body tag. Now we move to the body sections. This is where all the visible content of the web page is written. In, inside the body, we start with the header. Inside the header, the header usually contains the top part of the page like a logo or a title. Inside the header, we use H1, the tag with text submit feedback means it main heading of page very important of both users and SEO. Then we close header tag. You can see here I am closing the tag header. And then we move another tag is nav bar, nav menu up. We can call nav bar nav menu. Both names are same. After the header, we create a navigation bar using the nav tag. The section includes all the important links, student portals. We use an order list. You can see here to organize these links neatly. Each item li yani list item contains anchor tags. You can see I am using an anchor tags here, which stands for anchor meaning hyperlink. These are links of a page. You can let's see what links we have. First is home page, then is profile, then is courses, and then feedback and grades. And then we close an order list, and then we move another tab. Then we close nav bar, and then we move main content. The feedback links in current page we are working on. We finish all links. Close the UL and uh, nav text. Now we comes most important, the main section. Inside it, creating form to collect feedback with users. You can see here I am creating feedbacks, suggestion and names, emails, etc. We can explain our code to line by line, and then inside the main section, inside we are creating form collecting feedback from users. The form start with the HTML form tag. You can see here I am using form tag. Then we add a label saying name. Label help user understand what each input field is for. Then we use after that we add input field of a type text from the username and required attribute with which make it mandatory to fill before submitting. We use br for spacing. You can see here I'm using br tag for spacing. Next we create another label for emails. Automatically check if the users typed a valid email format. Again we add space for using br tag for use spacing. After that we have a feedback type label and drop down list. Using the select tag inside it, we create three options: suggestion, issue, and other. Then we close select tag, and we are adding br tag for spacing, and then we label our tag message, followed by text error tag that allows user to write detailed feedback rows and columns defined in size. Then we using button tag. Finally, we add a button using button type. Submit. When we click it, it will send the form data through the. Right now, it is not connected to a backend. And then we close form text and min text. Then we add at the footer. We have a footer. It includes simple paragraph showing a copyright. Like we can see here footer. Inside the p tag, I'm using 25 student portal, and then we close body tag, and finally I'm closing the HTML tag. That's all my HTML HTML feedback page. If you like this video, please comment, share, and forward to our friends for HTML beginners to gain our knowledge. Thank you.